everybody. I'd love to say good morning. This is Jean here. It's not a good morning. I just wanted to tell you guys, this is Saturday afternoon. I'm not feeling very well. And I thought, I know you don't, no, you care. You guys care. What happened is just wanted to explain something. On Thursday, I uploaded to my YouTube, ready to post, excuse me, my block number 11 for my block party, Jean's block party, block number 11. It's ready to go Sunday afternoon, tomorrow. I was fine Thursday. Thursday night, I have diverticulitis, and it settles down for a while, and then I have a flare-up, and man, I don't feel really well. It really, I'm on antibiotics. It'll clear up, but it really wipes me out. In fact, it's just too much information. Whatever. And I have a bit of a cold. Oh, I'm a bit of a mess. But about a year ago, I actually ended up in hospital for 4 days with a perforated bowel. Like, the pain. I have a very high tolerance to pain. I had like 10-pound babies naturally. Like that's nuts, right? So I have a high tolerance to pain. Oh, my hair. I have a high tolerance, ow, to pain. Oh, I look a mess. You must excuse me. Hey. But that really hurt. Like, oh my word. And I ended up in hospital, like I said, for 4 days. That is really bad. And it's all to do with this digestive system. I try to eat well. Well, I try to eat. It has a lot to do with diet. I know. If any of you have suffered or know someone, I really do try to eat, you know. Oh, yeah, no, but like, I don't know. People like get sick and they like lose weight, and I'm like, I get sick and I gain weight. Like, it's so bleh. So anyway, I'm not feeling very well, and I just thought I'd tell you. Oh, I'm all muddled. The reason I wanted to just throw this up is probably the next week I'm not going to be sewing. This lays me out for quite a few days, and then it takes me quite a few days to get healthy again. I'm a strong person, but this diverticulitis, which I thought was like for old people, but then I realized, oh my gosh, I'm old. And I have it. So my tummy and the pains, any of you know, like, oh my word, it's like really, yeah, it's really bad. So I just wanted to tell you though, must excuse my appearance. Actually, I'm nice and cozy. I'm in my family room, and I have my tea, my television, and my quilting magazines. I'm all over the place. I just wanted to tell you that block 11, if you're doing my block party, is quite not complicated at all. It's easy, but it's going to take you guys a while to do, because there's a lot of pieces in it, and so I thought, well, I might give it a rest for a week or so, like not block of the week. I may just see how I feel. Takes me a while to video, so I thought, I'm probably not going to go in my sewing room. I do not feel like sewing at all. I feel like sitting here. I've been sleeping since Thursday night. I just surfaced. My husband is really looking after me real well. Really, really well. And my son and my other boys have come in and called. It's really terribly debilitating and painful. And usually I'm like, oh, so perky. I'm not feeling perky at all. Anyway, I just thought I'd let you know what's going on, if you care, and you people do care, and I really appreciate that. Again, you must excuse my appearance. Oh, my clamshell quilt. I'm just rambling. I've done 5 rows out of 7. Aren't you proud of me? And everybody, I got so many comments like, oh, you know, I would have tossed the thing. I got into it. It's slow. but it's nice, and it's not hard, but it is hard. So I'm what, 3/4 of the way done. I don't know what I'm gonna do around the border. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do around the border of this quilt. I don't, like, I'm just doing the body and the clamshells. Maybe I'll just do like a straight stitch and be done with it. I'll see, because it's real pretty. But I'm not working on that. I'm not wrestling that, of course I'm not. So I'm going to give that a rest. And I had quite a few magazines. Do you guys like quilting magazines? I love quilts. I love magazines. I love magazines. I got a lot of ideas. I like my iPad and my phone and my computer, obviously, and Pinterest. But I do buy quite a lot of magazines. Not as many as I used to. But I like magazines. I like the feel of paper. I have my nice cup of tea. So anyway, again, you must excuse my appearance. But I just thought, if you didn't see me, you might be wondering, where in the world is she? I do have a life other than my quilting. And this now is my life. I'm not feeling very well. It's the first time, literally, I've ventured downstairs in 2 solid days. Oh, I slept and slept and slept. And the pain, it's gonna go. It's just a bad flare-up. Anyway, so that's my day. I just thought I'd check in, say hello. The video that's going is for tomorrow. I'm all perky. All like wonderful. That was Thursday night. This is Saturday. But that'll be block 11. You can look forward to that. Or not. It's a lot, but it's not hard. You guys got this. You're champs. So anyway, I'm just gonna finish up, have my cup of tea, watch some television here. It's a cold day out. It's a cold day. My sewing room is in there. My beaded curtain is my family room. My sewing room is in there, and then outside is there. My back patio is that way. So I just thought I'd just check in and say hello to you guys, and I'll see you whenever it is that I get feeling better. I really appreciate it. See you later, guys. Bye.